Check. Nina. Kansas City. You ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to the Red Kingdom. Yeah. Red Kingdom. Welcome to the Red Kingdom. Yeah. Red Kingdom. Welcome to the place where we run it. Place really haunted by number 58 is DT the Great, and we flaunt it. Hate and we shun it. Don't cop.
What's up, y'all? Been a while since I've talked. So, we got a package in the mail. I took the other box off of it. Well, for lack of them trying to jack the box up, though, man, they got through the first one and the second one, but it was fine. Check that out. Thank you. Thank you. I have a new sponsor. HyPhoTonFluX. Hell yeah, man. HPF3000, 320 watts. Very nice. I peeked in here. This driver's a beast. It's a very well built light. Very extremely well built light. Good size. What's that say it is? 26 by 23? Yeah, it's good size. Has very nice ratchet straps with it as well. Metal gears, the whole nine. I was very happy to see that. I did peek in here a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta peek. Christmas. Very simple to put together, very easy plug and play, very well packaged, extremely well packaged, if you ask me. It might be a little difficult to actually get up out of here one-handed. I'm not gonna joke. I got very nice ratchet strap set. It is the metal inside, so I can catch a look of one. There's all light companies use these. You're just gonna have to take my word for it because I can't get it to focus. I can't even see them. Oh yeah, right there. It's the metal ones inside, so that's good. It's good. Like to see that. Like to see that. Got power cord. Big old light back here. It's this thing under here that's just amazing. Look at this thing. They split it up. They put a pair of 150s in here, or 160s. So, yeah, it's nice. Very nice. This thing's beast. That's what I'm saying. It's big. Yeah, you know, I mean, this thing's beast. Give you an idea in size there. Very nice. Power goes in here. You got daisy chain, all that fun stuff. Each side's got its own side that it goes to, so it splits the bars 2 and 2, which is really cool. It reduces the load on everything, makes everything run more efficiently in my book. Split the load up. A lot of companies are starting to do that now. Very wise, I do believe, to split the load up. You know, increase diode amounts so they can split the heat up and make your diode last longer. So we got a 3x3 tank coming. That's where this is gonna go. So let's look at this thing. That's very nice. This thing's heavy. I really like the heat sinks on it. It's a really well built light. Oh, come up out of there, you. See, they stuck it in there good. Oh, digging the. Got an extra set of heat sinks in here. Light bar, and an extra one. So it dissipates, because as you can see, there's nothing in this one at all right here. It's just pure heat dissipation. So it's really cool. There's a lot of diodes on here. IR, far red, the whites, the warms, the colds, no blues. I don't think there's any blues on it, not that I'm aware of. Yeah. Full spectrum though. Seed to harvest, very nice light. Very nice light. Very nice light. It's got lock deals for the hinges that are in the bag. See, it's a very nice light. Yeah. Touch the diodes. Yeah, this is nice. It's very well built. Very well built light. This is crush a 3x3 all day long with this thing. I'm gonna zoom out. Whoop. Hang on. Wrong button. There we go. Yeah. It was on one zoom. But yeah, this is very nice. Nice wide spacing. Yeah, I imagine this thing's got a very even par across it. I'll have to check all that out. Give me a par meter so I can show that to people. So yeah, man, it's really nice. Really nice. Very nice user's manual. Very nice. The gear, all the gears in here. You know, the hangers, the ratchets, the lock deal. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Shout out to HyPhoTonFluX for hooking it up, man. Be seeing a lot of this one running. So it's got good comparison, you know, lights in here too to run next to it and stuff, so you can get a good see how good this one does, you know. Yeah, man. Digging it. They have a 4,000 miles, man. You can check out the homie Nomi, man. He runs the HPF3000. So you want to check that out too, man. That's a definite. I'll put his link to his YouTube channel. You can check him out on Instagram too. There'll be lots of pictures of this up on Instagram and stuff as we grow with it, man. So like old John would say, man, what's growing on, man? Holler at your boy. Peace out.